Squatting means that she's ready to lay an
That's my
egg.
baby.
She just turned into an adult. We raised these chickens from about a week old. And now they're 4 months. And you can tell they're an adult because look at the comb. See how big the comb is? And then whenever you go to pick them up, if they squat,
This is huge.
that means squatting means they're ready for mating.
This might be a rooster because she is a huge. And Daddy said this might be a rooster because look at her tail. How huge. And
Hi, girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Mom, take a video of Ruckus again. Watch, look.
Oh, hi. You want to be on camera? Yeah, you do. Ruckus wants to be on camera. You're a pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl.
Jaina's universe. Can I do a video?
Sure.
There are my shoes. They're the chickens. And you'll see.
Hi. Hi.
That's Rosie that Mom's trying to pick up.
Look, say hi.
Hi, Rosie.
Say hi. So this is an Australorp, right, Jane?
I have to tell my mom something, so. Rosie, she's.
You want to hold her and I'll get a
Master
picture of you?
No.
No?
She's so cute. But do you know who's cuter? Do you know who's cuter, guys? Is this little baby that is so right there. Flower. Hi, Missy. Are you on to mischief? Yeah. Hi. And I'll show you Brownie, Clever's sister. This is my farmer dog. And this is Goldie. No, that's Chicken Little. Hi, Chicken Little. Those are all the other chickens. The chicken's gonna poop soon. That is Bannock that we had to take care of. Right over there. See? Right there. That's Bannock. Hi, baby. She's a baby. Brownie's saying that. So would you like to see Brownie? Here they are. See Brownie? That's Brownie. That's not Brownie. That's Ruckus. Guys, come on. Come on. If you run, they will come. Mama. So let's see. Yep. Now they're coming. Oh. So that's their food. I'm gonna check if there are eggs. Let's look. Those are all fake. Some of those are fake. Let's see. So tonight our Chicken Little was trying to get in that coop over there. She was trying to lay an egg, I think. So that was really cool. So let's get back to sing. I see about 10 eggs, I think. Say hi, sleepyhead. Oh, Nicey. Is that you? Who are you? Is this Brownie? Brownie might. She's over.
Is she laying eggs, Grandma?
Who?
So some of the eggs are not real, and that's to help the chickens know where to lay their eggs.
Just
Well,
like
hi.
Ruckus. That's Ruckus.
Well, hi. Hello.
Ruckus. And this is our baby.
Hi. Hi. So squatting, hi baby. Squatting means that she's ready to lay an
That's my
egg.
baby. That's
So
a baby.
she just turned into an adult. We raised these chickens from about a week old. Now they're 4 months. And you can tell they're an adult because look at the comb. See how big the comb is? And then whenever you go to pick them up, if they squat,
this is huge.
That means squatting means they're ready for mating.
This might be a rooster because she is huge. Daddy said this might be a rooster because look at her.
Hi, girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Ruckus again. Watch,
Hi. You want to be on camera? Yeah, you do. Ruckus wants to be on camera. You're a pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. You're funny. You are funny. Oh, hi. Hello. Here comes a sister. So that one's a baby. Oh, I know. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a funny girl. Let's go see what Jaina's doing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Well, hi. So we have leghorns.
layer.
And this is a Rhode Island mix. So this is a golden sex link.
This little brownie has been laying eggs.
Noisy.
That's Brownie.
Hi.
Let's see if she wants a pineapple. Pineapples are really good if you have tried them.
Yeah, they love fruit. Any kind of wet fruit.
One time I saw a person joking because they liked it. Hey, chicken little. You want it?
She might be getting ready to lay an egg because she's getting noisy.
Yes, I think one.
So Jaina, how do you like living on a farm?
Good. Pretty good. Just
Pretty
like
good.
Chicken Little. Chicken Little, I won't catch you. Come on. Did you guys see that? There's an ostrich lizard.
Did you see the lizard, Chicken Little? Did you see it?
Oh, here's a lizard. So guys, my mom will probably help me catch this lizard. Mom, can you?
Where is it?
It's like right up there. See? Right there.
I don't see it.
See? Look. I see it. It's totally fine.
Point.
See, it just moved. I don't see it yet. Let's go over here.
It's hiding.
Look, there it is.
Hello, Mr. Lizard.
Can you hatch him? Oh, there he is. He's coming. Come on.
Oh,
See it?
it's coming. He went down that way.
Not, Mama, he's going higher. You're making...
Okay. I can't get him anymore. Getting video of all the chickens. She might be getting ready to lay, Jaina. Oh, she squatted. Yup. She probably needs to lay. Thanks for giving us eggs.
For giving us eggies.
All right. We will leave you alone. She probably wants to lay. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Yeah, fluffy butt. Okay, let's move away from her coop. I think she's ready to lay.
Oh, wow! Bert! Get up there. Bert, get up there. Can I get up with you? Yes? Come on, you have to get up here. So guys, I'm gonna get up there with this. You got this. You got this. Come on. You got this. Good girl. Great find. Partner's like, how do I get down this way?
Hi, girls.
How do I get down? This is...
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, little one.
Hi.
You fell. Hi, with the flower.
Hi. Hi, girls. What do you think, girls? So we got a New Hampshire. We have a Rhode Island mix. That's the Rhode Island. That's the New Hampshire. And that's an Australorp. And that's a Leghorn, the white one. Hi.
We have all kinds of chickens.
Say hi to Jaina's Universe.
That's partner that you're really close. Partner.
Hi.
Wait, don't hit my hair again. Why don't you not jiggle me around?
Tell us their names.
Goldie, Sleepy, and okay, I can't say all of it. Goldie, Sleepy, Rooster.
Partner.
Goldie, Sleepy, Partner, Rooster, and
Flower.
Rosie,
Rosie.
and Icy. Like my feet. Ah!
Did they peck you?
Peck my feet. You like my feet? Click here to subscribe to our channel. Watch any video to stay in Jaina's universe.